with another cooking video. Today we're going to make pumpkin drop cookies. 9 ingredients, 350-degree preheated oven, and they're super fast to make, super easy, not a lot of cleanup, and it is it is pumpkin season. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix your pumpkin. All the direct ingredients, as always, are down below in the description, but you need like a 15 to 16 ounce can of pure pumpkin. Don't get the pumpkin puree. You want real pumpkin. We're gonna plop that. Right on in. And don't argue with me, don't come at me, it's pumpkin season. It is pumpkin season. Okay, so we have our pumpkin. We're going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. This is 2 cups. Seems like an awful lot. These aren't for me, these are for my husband, so I'll probably have a couple, but this is a lot of sugar. All right. So you're gonna mix your brown sugar in with your pumpkin. When you're done mixing your brown sugar into your pure pumpkin, this is kind of what it looks like. And now we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of oil. Just regular vegetable oil. Trust me, you're gonna thank me for these if you like pumpkin stuff. Right, 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil going in. I'm gonna mix that up. Do it carefully because your oil's just kind of sitting on the top. You have to take a little bit of time to combine that. But it'll get there, give it some time, keep stirring. All right, we're going to add 4 cups of flour. But again, I'm adding all of my dry ingredients in a different bowl, and I will mix them there. Let's hope I have enough flour. I thought I would have enough. If I don't, I'll be going to the store. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna call that 4. I will need more flour. So 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon, I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, not soda, powder. 1, I'm gonna make level teaspoons. 2. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I don't think I need a whole teaspoon, just some salt. A teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Good. It doesn't have to be perfect. And 1 teaspoon, oh, that nutmeg smells good. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I guess if you didn't have these, but you did have like pumpkin spice mix, you could do that. Okay, and then we're just gonna kind of gently mix this together. And then this is going to get added slowly into our wet ingredients until we have a dough. All right, this is where the fun begins and the flour ends up flying. So I'm just gonna slowly take my flour and put it in here and mix it together. And hopefully not make a huge mess. So you're just gently folding it. I am still at it. I got the last of the 4 cups of wet or dry ingredients here. The flour, the baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and I'm still working it. So just take your time. That's where the fun happens. Everything's all floury right now. And then we will be back and I will show you how to form them on your cookie sheet. Hope your ovens are preheating to 350. And we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, we are all mixed up. Let's get these onto the cookie sheet. I'm using parchment paper. The instructions for these says take a teaspoon and just drop them on your cookie sheet. That is it. If you ask me how many this makes, the answer to you will be a lot. Whatever word you use for a lot. A huge amount, a boatload. It makes a lot. They also freeze very well. Again, there's no egg, there's no milk. Just a whole lot of brown sugar, a whole lot of flour, some oil, and some seasonings. All right, I'm gonna get these into the oven. I hope you're putting yours in the oven, and you'll leave me a comment and tell me how they were. If you have any fall parties to go to, Thanksgiving, you will be revered at the party as soon as they taste your cooking. So I'm gonna do one more then. I'm gonna get them in the oven. So I put 3 rows of 4 on my cookie sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in. All right, guys, one thing I forgot about these cookies is that they don't really spread out when you bake them. So this is my second tray going in, and I did 4 rows of 5 because they're not going to really spread out. When they're done, and it took about 15 minutes at 355 for me. We're at a higher altitude. I'm in Colorado, and I think our oven's a little off, so I did 355. But it is like a squishy, soft cookie, and when you break it open, that is what it looks like. It is so, so good. All right, guys, y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I'll be back with either some more gaming lives or maybe some more cooking. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Hey, I also forgot to say that these are the ones I've done so far. Really nice, holding their shape. These would be great with your morning coffee. I could see them going with some like vanilla ice cream, glass of milk. There's nothing that you couldn't have with these. They will enhance any kind of dessert or drink you have going on. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye-bye.